Gear up because the countdown to the best drill press under $200 starts now, and your workshop will thank you. If you're chasing power, precision, and value all in one tool, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to be going over the best drill press under $200 that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the NovelLife CNC 795. In the tight end of the market, this compact benchtop drill press packs more capability into a small footprint than many entry-level units, making it a solid pick for hobbyists who want reliable results without crowding the workshop. The chassis combines a rigid column with a sturdy base that resists wobble even when you apply meaningful feed pressure, which matters when you're drilling a batch of holes that must line up perfectly. Spindle is driven by a belt system that offers a reasonable speed range, allowing you to tailor cutting speed to the material at hand while keeping the sound output manageable in a shared workspace. Well-tuned quill supports smooth up and down motion, and the feed handle gives you predictable control so you can advance the drill bit with confidence on wood, soft plastics, and thin metals. Depth stop is intuitive to set and remains locked in once you begin a project, ensuring repeatable hole depths that save time during assembly tasks and when building jigs. Worktable is adjustable in both tilt and rotation, enabling you to chase misaligned stock or drill holes at precise angles without fighting against the machine. When you need to drill multiple pieces, the combination of a readable depth scale and a robust clamping surface keeps each piece aligned, which is especially valuable for projects like cabinet hardware installation or hobby sign making. Design emphasizes ease of use with straightforward assembly, clear labeling, and accessible adjustment screws, so you can get from unboxing to drilling with minimal friction. In the field, this model earns its keep by delivering dependable performance at a price point that keeps extra funds in your budget for quality bits, jigs, and alignment aids. It's not the loudest or the most aggressive option in the under -200 category, but it excels in consistency and accessibility for beginners who want to advance their skills without stepping up to a heavier, more expensive machine. Paired to the MAOPINER Drill Press Stand, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the NovelLife CNC 795 emphasizes integrated alignment features and a compact footprint, helping a hobbyist keep a tidy workstation, while MAOPINER focuses on modularity and portability for use with a broader range of drills. At number 4, we have the MAOPINER Drill Press Stand. This versatile accessory stands out because it transforms a handheld drill into a functional drill press with a dedicated alignment track, a stable mounting surface, and adjustable travel that keeps your workpiece square as you drill. Stand is built to weight and precision standards that strike a balance between portability and rigidity, which means you can carry it between projects or reposition it in a tight corner of your shop without worrying about too much flex. Mounting rail supports a reasonable range of motion for the drill chuck, and the vertical column can be raised or lowered to suit different stock thicknesses, a feature that makes it friendly for drilling shallow pilot holes or deeper through holes alike. Included hardware is typically straightforward to install and swap, with clamps that hold your drill securely at the desired height and angle. The standout advantage here is cost efficiency. For the price of a single mid-range bit set, you gain a more stable drilling platform that can work with many existing handheld drills, turning a basic tool into a project-ready press. It is particularly appealing for light-duty work in wood and soft metals, where accuracy and repeatability matter. But the unit isn't designed to replace a full benchtop press when you need maximum stability or high-volume production. Said in cramped spaces, this stand shines because it unlocks drilled hole capabilities without committing to a larger tool. Compared to the GarveeTech Benchtop Drill Press, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the MAOPINER option emphasizes portability and adaptability, while GarveeTech delivers a more integrated, fixed spindle experience. At number 3, we have the GarveeTech Benchtop Drill Press. This model packs a lot of practical value into a compact form factor and really earns its keep in busy hobby work where setup time matters. The tilting worktable goes from flat to an angle with confident detents, allowing you to drill angled holes, create countersinks, or align pieces for joinery without fighting the stock or the fence. Solid column and a robust head assembly keep the spindle stable during cuts, which reduces chatter and improves hole quality on light metals, plastics, and wood. Speed range is designed to handle common drill sizes, with enough RPM options to let you choose a slower speed for tougher materials and a faster speed for thin stock and high feed rates. Quill travel is practical for drilling through typical hobbyist workpieces, and the depth stop provides repeatability so you can reproduce holes on multiple parts. The base includes generous footprint and thoughtful cutouts that make it easier to clamp the press to a workbench or to install it on a flat surface, which helps with alignment and stability during long sessions. In terms of user experience, The GarveeTech unit tends to feel intuitive, with clear markings, simple belt or gear switching if available, and a guard that helps protect hands during operation. It's a dependable choice for projects like cabinet drilling, sign making, and light metalwork, though it won't match the rugged endurance of industrial-class presses. Compared to the Generic Benchtop Drill Press, which I have included as number 2 on this list, GarveeTech provides a more complete bench-mounted experience with a dedicated spindle, whereas Generic focuses on affordability and straightforward operation. At number 2, we have the Generic Benchtop Drill Press. This model represents the practical core of budget drilling: straightforward operation, dependable repeatability, and a footprint that fits comfortably in a small shop. It usually offers a belt-driven speed range that covers common bits from small pilot holes to mid-sized drill work, and the quill travels enough to handle a variety of stock thicknesses with a simple setup. Worktable tilts to accommodate angled holes, and the surface is designed to grip workpieces so parts don't shift during drilling. Cast metal construction and a compact base give it a stable platform, while the motor and drive system are tuned for reliability rather than extreme performance, which is just what you want for everyday tasks like drilling pilot holes, hinge recesses, or quick repairs. Well-positioned depth stop helps you obtain consistent depths across a family of parts, reducing the variability that can creep in when you work by eye. For beginners and budget-conscious hobbyists, the Generic Benchtop Drill Press delivers a solid drilling experience without overwhelming you with options or costs. Remains a practical choice for wood, soft plastics, and light metal drilling, where accuracy comes from careful setup and measured work rather than exotic features. When stacked against the Bonvoisin Mini Benchtop Drill Press, this model can feel larger and less portable, but it usually offers a little more reach on the table and the benefit of a wider accessory ecosystem. Compared to the Bonvoisin Mini Benchtop Drill Press, which I have included as number 1 on this list, Generic emphasizes value and stability over compactness and portability. At number 1, we have the Bonvoisin Mini Benchtop Drill Press. This compact performer embodies the idea of big results from a small, affordable tool. The ultra-compact frame slides into tight workspaces while still providing meaningful control over drilling depth and hole placement. Quill offers a precise feed with a gentle, repeatable stroke that makes drilling delicate pieces feel effortless, and the motor is matched to the machine's mass, so you don't fight with excess vibration or sluggishness. Table design optimizes clamp space, enabling you to secure jewelry parts, small hardware, or signlets without crowding the chuck. The bed and column are built for stability, which translates to cleaner holes and less wander when you're guiding a bit into soft metals or hardwoods. Despite its miniature footprint, the Bonvoisin performs admirably for rapid prototyping, model making, and any task where quick setup and reliable accuracy matter more than mass production capacity. Maintenance is straightforward, with basic lubrication points and a simple belt drive that communicates what's happening under the hood. For owners who value portability and ease of transport, this unit is a standout option that helps you keep a drill press experience without committing to a full-size machine. It also proves a nice counterpoint to the Generic Benchtop Drill Press, which I have included as number 2 on this list. Where Generics emphasize budget stability and reach, Bonvoisin excels in portability and one-handed setup for frequent repositioning.